بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. نبدأ حل أسئلة الوزارة اللي هي grade 4. First question: the capacity of a juice can is 1 liter and 500 milliliter. Then its capacity in milliliters equal. So 1 liter, I will convert it to milliliter. 1 liter equal 1000 milliliter. So 1000 milliliter plus 500 milliliter equal 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 5 5, and drop 1. So 1500. Answer number B. The second question: a rectangle, its length L and its width W. Rectangle, length L, so it will be L, W, width, and it's also width. So the perimeter is L plus W times 2, or 2 times L plus W. So I will choose number 3. The expanded form for the numeral 7,215,603 is 7 million. So 7 and 6 zeros plus 200,000. So it 2 and also 5 zeros plus 1 in 10,000, it will be 1 and how many zeros? I will count 1 2 3 4. So 1 2 3 4 plus 6 in 100, 5 in 1000, 5, and count 1 2 3 1 2 3 plus 6 in 100, it will be 600 plus 0, I will not write it, and 3. So the answer will be number C. 1 day and 5 hours equal 1 day equal 24 hours. 5 hours, it's 5 hours. So I will add 4 plus 5 equal 9, and drop 2, it's 29 hours. Another one: which of the following represent the cumulative property in addition? Cumulative mean we will switch the numbers, like 5 plus 2 equal 2 plus 5. Which the answer will be? It will be answer A, because 635 plus 492 equal, he will switch the numbers and it will be 492 plus 635. Another example: 10 times greater than the number 430. 10 times. So this number times 10, you will simply add 0 and it will be this answer. Another questions. Number 7: a rectangle, its length is 5 centimeter and its width 4 centimeter. Then its area equal. Area of rectangle, it will be length times width. So area will be length 8 times width 4. So 8 times 4 equal 32 centimeter square. 32 centimeter square. Another example: the population of a country is 56,742,033. Then the place value of the digit 6 in 6 here. 6 in 1 tenth hundred, 1 tenth 100,000, 1 tenth million. So it in 1 million, so it will just be millions. Another question. 13 plus 0 equals 13 is a property. When I saw 0, its property will be additive identity. Additive identity. Number 10. 423 centimeter equal 423. The number in hundred, it will be meter, and the number in tenths and ones place, it will be centimeter. So 423 centimeter, it just be 4 meter and 23 centimeter, and the answer will be number C. Which digit can be, another example, which digit can be placed in the square to make the mathematical expression is correct? To make the mathematical expression is correct. In the square, it's in thousandth place, so I will look to thousand place, it's 1. Here I will put a number greater than 1. Which is number greater than 1? The two answers here is correct. I can put 2, I can put 3, and so on. The two answers are correct. Another one. Which of the following is a digit? Which of the following is a digit? Of course, it's 9. Of course, it's 9. Another example, number 13. 13 liters and 30 milliliter equal 13 liter. 13 liter is called 13. 13 liter will be 13,000 milliliter plus 13 milliliter. 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 3, 3, and drop 3, 1, 3. It's just wait a minute, it's 13 not 31. 13 not 31, sorry for this. It's 13. It will be 13,030, and the answer will be number B. Another example. The number 1 milliard 235 million and 127 in standard form equal number A. 1 milliard 235 million and 127, because I don't have any numbers in thousands places. Round the number to the nearest milliard. So I will stand on milliard. Milliard here is number 6, which is before it 7. 7 will add 1 to the number 6, and it will be 7. And all place value before it will be zeros. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. It's just 7 milliard. The answer will be number B. 2 days and 2 hours equal how many hours? 1 day equal 24 hours. So 2 days equal 48 hours. So 48 hours plus 2 hours equal 15 hours. 15 hours. Number 17. In the digit. In the number 34,042, the digit 4 in the tens is equal to how many times the digit 4 in thousand place? This question is wrong. This question is wrong from the ministry, and to make it a correct, I will replace this thousand, this tens by thousand, and this by tens. And the question will be, in the number 34,042, the digit 4 in thousand place, I will stand on thousand place. Is the in the thousand place equal to how many times the digit 4 in tens place? Tens place. This is thousand place. To reach the number 4 here, I will put 2 zeros, and it will be 100. 100. The number 18, it also be not correct answer from the ministry, so I will skip it. Number 19, Omar have 4,500 pounds, and after 2 years the amount he had has doubled 10 times. So just I will make this number times 10. So I will add 0 to this number. Add 0 to this number. The answer will be number 3. Answer will be number 3. The next one, it will be the correct verbal form for the number 1,271,305. 305. The answer will be number 4. Number 4. Which is the number 21. Which of the following statements is correct? Is correct. This one is 9,868 is less than 6,886. It's correct because this is 8 and this is 6. Of course 8 is greater than 6, and also this one are true. So the question is some sort of wrong question from the ministry. And 22 of course is wrong question from the ministry, and of course 23 also. For the question 24, rounding the number, this number, to the nearest 10,000, I will stand on 10,000. 10,000 here is number 4. 4 before it is 0. 0 will not add to 4 anything. Anything. And just 1 minute. This number also is, this question also is a wrong question because answers is not here. The correct answer will be, I will stand on 3 and the rest of the numbers will be 0. So it will be 30,000. The answer is not here. Number 25. Number 25. He is saying the expression that express the correct approximating is. The correct approximating is. First one, the expression that expresses the correct approximation is 3100 is rounding to 3191 to the nearest hundred. Doesn't true, because I will stand on the 100 place. It's 1. 9 will add 1 to this one, and it will be 3200. Doesn't correct. And this one also is not correct. If the correct one, it will be number 3, because 4000 is rounding of 3535 to the nearest thousand. Of course, I will stand on 3. The number before it is 5. It will be add 1 to the 3, and this 3 will be 4, and the rest of answer will be 0. Number 26. The correct strategy to find the result of 122 minus 49 using mental compilation is. The first choice, he asked me, find the result of 122 minus 50, then subtract 1. Doesn't seem right. Number 2, find the result of 122 minus 50, then add 1. This is right, because I will subtract 50 from 122, but I will add 1 because here I have my negative 1 to this. So the negative 1 I add here, I will subtract here from this. So it's switching from subtract to minus, and the answer will be number 2. Subtract this. It's an easy one, so I will 6, 1, 3 minus 2, 4, 7. 3 minus 7 doesn't seem right, so I will borrow from this one 1, and it will be 0. This 3 will be 13. 13 minus 7, it will be 6. 0 minus 4, it can't be. I will borrow from this 6 1, it will be 5. This 0 will be 15. 15 minus 4, it will be 15 minus 4, it will be 9. This is 10. Sorry for this. 10 minus 4, it will be 6. 5 minus 2, it will be 3. So the answer is 366. Another one. Mariam bought a story novel containing 316 pages, of which she read 129 pages. Which of the following bar represents the remaining papers? The total number of papers is 316. So 316, it will be on the top of the bar model. So the answer, it will be number 3. It can't be 121 in the bar model here, and it can be also not here and not here. Number 29. Which of the following sentence express a correct relationship between the units of mass? I have here 1 gram equal 1000 kilogram. Doesn't be right. 1 gram equal 100 ton. Doesn't be right. 1 kilogram equal 100 tons. Doesn't be right. And the true one is 1 ton equal 1000 kilogram. 1000 kilogram. This is the correct answer. Number 30. Using relationship between units of length, choose the correct answer to complete the following table. 60 kilometer, 60,000 meter, and what centimeter? It just be 60 meter. I will add 2 zeros to centimeter, and it will be 0, 0, 0, 0, 6. It will be 6 million centimeter. The answer will be number 4. Another example. 31. Adel spent 6 hours at school. If we want to calculate Adel's school day in minutes, of course I have 1 hour. 1 hour equal 60 minutes. So 6 hours equal how many minutes? How many minutes? Just being 6 hours times 60. So I will multiply 6 by 60. The answer will be number 3. Number 32. Ask a group of your classmates about how many hours they spent reading yesterday. The line below shows the students' response. Here, this X represents one student. There is no student reading anything. Just one student. There is one student reading half hour. There is 2 students reading 1 hour, and so on. Which question could be answered using lines plot? It will be how many students spent 3 or more hours? This is a right question. A rectangle of length equal to 20 centimeter and width equal to 10 centimeter. Then the area equal to the area of rectangle length times width. It will be length 20 times width 10. It will be 200. It's number 4. 34. In the opposite figure of the perimeter, if the perimeter of the figure 1 is 50 centimeter, then the area of the figure 2 is equal to how many square centimeters? The perimeter of number 1, the rectangle number 1, it will be 50. At first, this is 15. So this will be 15. 15 plus 15, 30. 15 and 15 equal to 30. This 30 I will subtract it from this 50. 50 minus 30 equal 20. And of course this width and this width will be the 20 together. I will distribute it to this side length and this side length. It will be 10 and 10. So the area of the rectangle number 2, it will be side times side, side times side, side 10 times side 10. This is area, so the area will be 100. 100. The correct answer will be 100. Number 35. Saif wrote the number 3,562,781. Marwa wrote the number 23,482,513. And he asked me a question. What is the value of 5 in saves? What is the value of 5 in saves? Number is 5. Different than the value of 5 in Marvel's number. This is 5 because the place value is different. So the place value is different. The place values of 5 are different in each. Number 36. What is the standard form of 18 millions? 18 million. This 18 million and this 18 million. So this number, it doesn't seem right, and this number, it doesn't seem right. 18 million 605,000. 605,000, not 15,000. So the answer will be number A. Number A. $18,600,000. Yes, but add 0 here, it will be right. Number 37. Which expression is the expanded form of the number this? 10 million. 10 million. This is the only one has 10 million. So it will be this number. Number 38. Town A libraries has 362,000. 362,000. 21 books. 21 books. And Town B library has 326,102 books. 102 books. Which is right? This number, of course, is greater than this number. And the answer will be number C. 39. Which answer represent rounding this number to the nearest million? I will stand on million. It's number 2. And look to this 5. This 5. Adding 1 to this 2. It can be. So 3. This 2 will be 3. And the rest of number will be 0. So the answer will be this. It's number D. It's number D. Number 40. Which equation would be best included in an explanation of the cumulative property? Cumulative property. Cumulative, it means switching the numbers. Switching the number, and the answer will be number B. Hayam writes 22 minus 10 plus 1 in brackets. It equal to 22 minus 10 plus 1. Is the statement true? Of course it's not true, because the associative property doesn't apply to subtraction. So number C is the correct answer. Farid begins solving the subtraction problem. What is the next step? Choose the best answer. Farid start with 737 minus 484. 7 minus 3 and minus 4 equals 3. The next step he will be 3 minus 8. Doesn't seem right, so I will borrow 1 from this 7. It will be 6, and this 3 will be 13. So regroup the tens place and subtract 8 from 13. It's the correct answer, number D. Which choice shows how you could correctly use rounding to estimate a reasonable answer of the problem? Estimate mean I will drop this 8 and this 1 and change this 6 will be 0, minus drop 2, drop 5, and this 7 will be 0, and it will be 0 minus 0, 0, 1 minus 5 can't be, so I will borrow from this 8 1, it will be 7, and this one will be 11, 11 minus 5 equal to 6, and 7 minus 2 equal to 5, so the best answer will be number B. Number 44. Number 44. He asked me for this. A local bakery sold 1,232 zalabia in one day. If they sold 872 zalabia in the morning, how many were sold during the rest of the day? So I will put 1,232 zalabia minus 876, and it will be 2 minus 6 can't be, so I will borrow from this 3 to 1, it will be 2, this 2 will be 12, 12 minus 6 it will be 6, 2 minus 7 it can't be, so I will borrow from this 2 1, it will be 1, and this 2 will be 12, 12 minus 7 it will be 5, 1 minus 8 it can't be, so I will borrow from this 1 1, it will be 0, and this one will be 11, 11 minus 8, 11 minus 8, it will be 3. So the best answer, or correct answer, it will be 356 zalabia. Number 45. It will be the Suez Canal extends from both sides to the city of Suez is 193,120 meters long. If a boat travels 38,620 meters each day for 5 days. A boat travels each day for 5 days. So I will multiply this number by 5, and it will be 5 times 0, 0, 5 times 2, 10, 0, and carry up 1, 5 times 6, 13, 30 plus 1, 30 plus 1 equals 31, 1 and carry up 3, 5 times 8, it will be 40, 40 plus 3, it will be 43, 3 and carry up 4, 5 times 3, 15, 15 plus 4, it will be 19 meters. The boat travel 1,093 and 100 meters in 5 days. How many more meters will be needed to travel to reach the end of the Suez Canal? I will just subtract this number from this number. It will be minus and just be 0, 2, and the rest of answer will be 0. It will need 20 meters to reach the Suez Canal. Number 46. Nahid wants to put a ribbon border around blanket she making. The width of the blanket is 3 meters. The perimeter of the blanket is 14 meters. How long are each of the long sides of the blankets? How long are each of the long sides of the blanket? I have a blanket. I have a blanket in rectangle shape. The perimeter of the blanket will be 14. The perimeter will be 14. The width, it will be 3. So I have perimeter and I want the length. The length will be perimeter divided 2 minus width. So the length will be perimeter 14 divided 2 minus the width 3. And 7 minus 3 equal 4. It will be 4 meter. 47. He asked me which